Hi everyone. How you doing? Good, I hope. There we go. So I wanted to talk to you about today is, well, a few different things, but what it's going to come down to is, well, I'll explain it in a minute, right? So, okay. This is theoretical science. This is how they do theoretical science, okay? All right? So, we're going to say we have one field, right? So, and then we're going to say we have another field, right beside it, okay? Now, when these two fields are activated, right, they're going to give off a third field, right? And that third field, like when they activate, each one activates, right? Both of them fields will connect. And in the connection area, them two fields will be another field, right? So this is how you do theoretical science. So now that you got this other field, okay, because you put two magnetic generators together, right? You built them into one or something. Now that you got the third field, I believe that third field will give you anti-gravity. I'm just surprised that nobody out there, even, I don't know, maybe somebody is trying to make it, but I mean, really all it is just two magnetic fields crossing each other, and it'll make another field, and that field you can encompass with a little bit of engineering. You can encompass the ship you're in. So that would allow you to be, that would turn you essentially into a molecule. Not the size of a molecule, but you will have the same properties and be able to do basically the same thing as a molecule can. And it will not affect you on inside of your ship. So therefore you will be able to, little extra wiring, I imagine you can get forward, reverse, and not just straight up and down. But everybody that watches this video should really think about it, because it's a new way of flying through the air and out into space. So won't be no jet engines, won't be no fuel, won't be no nothing, right? I mean, it'll just be the power that you generate inside of your ship. How you're going to do that? Well, I don't know. They got UFO plans out there. I'd start with them. I mean, they got generators that go around in 3 different spots, and it's only a magnetic field, right? You're making another magnetic field, so that will be, once them two fields hit each other, then they will make a third magnetic field. And that third magnetic field, you can make it master the rest of the magnetic field, so that should give you your anti-gravity, which is what we call it. So, I mean, I just want to see a lot of people check into this, because it's the way of our future. This is all of this here, jet engines and stuff like that, like we're just burning fuel. We got to stop burning fuel. So we go down other roads. If we can get up there, like I said, gravity won't affect you inside of this bubble, since UFOs exist and all that. This is the way some of them travel across the stars. And until we figure out the other ways, it seems like a pretty safe bet to start with that one. right? Not a, what man, Hadron Collider there. My God, man, that thing's like huge. Must cost billions of dollars. I mean, anyway, it's an interesting experiment nonetheless. So, but the point is, we're spending money on all pointless things. And this here whole world has to really think of another way of doing things. And also, I'm pretty sure that the different colors in a rainbow, right, when you run a light through a prism, them different colors in the sun have different properties. Also, light has properties, right? Like, I mean, we can send an electrical wave across light. We can send an electrical pulse across light. If I shine a laser onto a glass window, I can hear what's going on if I got the little setup in the earphones. So the point is there's a lot of ways to change, or to at least head towards our destiny. That would be better than, I don't know, Afghanistan. You know, God bless them. But I mean, the point is that a lot of people, if you guys put your minds to it, it wouldn't cost that much to design something like this and then market it, and boom, you'll be all set. Anyway, it's just a thought, and I would like to see the world go in another direction than fossil fuels, because this is just power we can use for this. Okay, so there we go. That's my point of view, and I hope somebody out there listens. God bless you, and have a good day, and bye. And thanks for listening to me if you did.